Most drivers spend hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars maintaining their vehicles. They buy premium fuel. They replace filters. They follow maintenance schedules. Yet when it comes to engine oil, many people choose based on a commercial, a sale price, or whatever bottle happens to be sitting on the shelf. And here's the surprising part. Two oils can carry the same API-SP certification. Two oils can have the same viscosity. Both can say 5W30 on the label. Yet after 200,000 miles, the inside of those engines may look completely different. One may have clean valve covers, healthy timing components, and minimal deposits. The other may show varnish, sludge, stretch timing chains, and worn variable valve timing components. So what do mechanics actually trust when it's their own truck, SUV, or daily driver sitting in the driveway? After thousands of oil changes, engine inspections, timing chain replacements, and high mileage teardowns, certain oil brands keep earning trust, while others rarely get mentioned. By the end of this video, you'll understand why mechanics repeatedly choose certain oils for vehicles they plan to keep for the long haul. And one oil near the end continues to surprise mechanics with how well it performs under real-world driving conditions. Let's start with number 10. Number 10. Supertech Full Synthetic. This one surprises a lot of people. Supertech is Walmart's house brand. Most drivers assume mechanics avoid it. That's not entirely true. Many independent mechanics have noticed that modern Supertech oils meet the same API standards required by many major manufacturers. Oil analysis frequently shows respectable wear numbers. Nothing spectacular, but certainly better than many people expect. I've opened engines with over 200,000 miles that lived on Supertech for years. The engines weren't perfect, but they were healthy. The key was consistent oil changes. Where Supertech tends to fall behind premium brands is oxidation resistance and long-term deposit control. During extended intervals, some premium oils simply hold up better. Best applications: daily commuting, budget-conscious maintenance, vehicles receiving regular oil changes. The drawback is simple. It isn't usually the first choice for severe towing, extreme heat, or long drain intervals. Still, many mechanics trust it more than its reputation suggests. But the next oil earned trust for a completely different reason. Number 9. Havoline Pro DS. Havoline doesn't get discussed nearly as often as some larger brands. Yet in fleet service, it has built a surprisingly strong reputation. Many technicians notice that engines running Havoline often stay remarkably clean internally, especially around valve train components. Oil analysis frequently shows good oxidation resistance and stable viscosity retention. That matters in vehicles accumulating lots of highway miles. In commercial service, consistency is everything, and Havoline has quietly delivered that consistency for years. I've seen work trucks with 250,000 miles running this oil that still showed excellent internal cleanliness. Not because the oil is magical, because it consistently does its job. Best applications: fleet vehicles, daily drivers, long-distance commuters. The biggest drawback is availability. Depending on where you live, it can be harder to find than some competitors. And that's probably why more people don't talk about it. Now this is where things start getting interesting. Number 8. Castrol GTX Full Synthetic. Castrol has been a trusted name in repair shops for decades, and GTX Full Synthetic remains one of the most common recommendations. One reason mechanics trust it is predictability. You generally know what you're getting. Oil analysis reports often reveal solid wear protection and good deposit control. During engine inspections, sludge accumulation is typically well controlled when maintenance intervals are followed. Cold start performance is another strong point. That's especially important in northern climates where lubrication during startup can determine long-term wear. I've opened engines with well over 200,000 miles using GTX regularly. Most looked exactly the way you'd want them to look. Clean, healthy, predictable. Best applications: family vehicles, daily commuters, naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines. Drawbacks: Castrol's product lineup is large. Some consumers get confused between different versions, and not every Castrol oil performs at the same level. Still, GTX remains a dependable choice. But the next oil consistently impressed mechanics working on vehicles past 250,000 miles. Number 7. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Valvoline has earned a lot of trust over the years, particularly among technicians servicing high-mileage vehicles. One thing many mechanics notice is how well Valvoline performs during cold starts. Used oil analysis frequently shows strong wear protection, especially in engines experiencing frequent stop-and-go driving. Timing components often remain in good condition. Variable valve timing systems tend to stay clean, and that's becoming increasingly important in modern engines. I've seen countless trucks and SUVs surpass 200,000 miles using Valvoline products consistently. Again, not because the oil is doing something extraordinary, because it's consistently protecting the engine under real-world conditions. Best applications? Pickup trucks, SUVs, daily drivers, vehicles seeing mixed city and highway use. The drawback? Price. Valvoline's premium formulations often cost more than some competing oils, but many owners feel the consistency is worth it. And the next brand earned a loyal following among owners who plan to keep vehicles for decades. Number 6. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This is where the rankings start moving into oils that mechanics actively seek out. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum consistently performs well during teardown inspections. One reason is its base oil technology. Many mechanics have observed exceptionally clean piston crowns and valve train components in engines using this oil long-term. Oil analysis frequently shows strong oxidation resistance. Deposit control is often excellent, especially in turbocharged applications. I've inspected engines with more than 250,000 miles that showed surprisingly little varnish. That doesn't happen by accident. It usually means the oil maintained its protective properties over a long period. Best applications? Turbocharged engines, highway vehicles, owners planning long-term ownership. The drawback? Availability isn't always consistent. Some regions carry plenty of it, others barely stock it, and it often costs more than mainstream synthetics. Number 5. Mobil 1 Extended Performance. If you've spent any time around professional repair shops, you've heard this name repeatedly. Mobil 1 has one of the longest track records in the synthetic oil market. And more importantly, it has one of the largest real-world sample sizes. Taxi fleets, police vehicles, commercial fleets, high-mileage commuter vehicles. Mobil 1 has been used in all of them. Oil analysis from companies like Blackstone Laboratories frequently shows excellent wear protection and strong viscosity retention. That's one reason mechanics trust it. Not because of advertising, because there are hundreds of thousands of engines providing real-world evidence. I've opened engines with 250,000 to 350,000 miles running Mobil 1 for years. One thing that consistently stands out is timing component condition. Timing chains often show less wear than expected. Oil passages remain relatively clean. Variable valve timing systems usually remain healthy. Best applications? Long highway driving, turbocharged engines, pickup trucks, high mileage daily drivers. The drawback? Some engines seem to consume Mobil 1 slightly faster than competing oils. Not all engines, but enough that many mechanics have noticed it. Still, the long-term protection is difficult to argue with. But the next oil built its reputation among some of the harshest operating conditions imaginable. Number 4. Shell Rotella T6. Now this one requires a little explanation. Rotella T6 was originally designed primarily for diesel applications, but many mechanics began noticing something interesting years ago. Engines running Rotella often stayed exceptionally clean, wear numbers remained low, and high load protection was outstanding. That's why the oil developed such a loyal following among truck owners, especially owners who tow regularly. During engine inspections, Rotella-equipped engines frequently show minimal sludge and excellent deposit control. Its shear stability is particularly impressive. Heavy towing generates enormous stress on lubricants. Rotella tends to handle that stress very well. I've serviced diesel pickups with staggering mileage using little more than consistent maintenance and Rotella. Best applications? Diesel trucks, heavy-duty towing, commercial service, severe operating conditions. The drawback? Not every gasoline engine should use Rotella. Owners should always verify OEM approvals and manufacturer requirements before making a switch. Compatibility matters, but the next 3 oils are the ones many mechanics repeatedly choose when they plan to keep a vehicle for the long haul. Number 3. Castrol Edge Extended Performance. This is where we move from good oils into oils mechanics actively trust with their own vehicles. Castrol Edge Extended Performance has earned an excellent reputation over the last several years. One reason is its performance under heat. Modern engines run hotter than ever. Turbochargers create additional stress, Direct injection creates additional contamination challenges. Yet oil analysis frequently shows Castrol Edge maintaining viscosity remarkably well. That matters because viscosity stability directly affects lubrication film strength. And lubrication film strength affects wear. Many independent mechanics have noticed exceptionally clean valve train assemblies in engines running Edge consistently. I've personally seen timing systems remain surprisingly healthy well past 250,000 miles. Another strength is oxidation resistance. Oil that resists oxidation generally stays effective longer. That helps reduce deposits and sludge formation. Best applications? Turbocharged engines, high-mileage vehicles, towing applications, performance-oriented vehicles. The drawback? Cost. This is not a budget oil, and some owners may never fully utilize its capabilities if they change oil very frequently. Still, when mechanics discuss oils they trust for long-term ownership, Castrol Edge appears again and again. But the next oil consistently impresses mechanics during teardown inspections, and many owners never even consider it. Number 2. Amsoil Signature Series. Amsoil has developed an almost cult-like following. Some of that reputation is marketing, but much of it comes from real-world performance. This oil repeatedly performs extremely well in used oil analysis reports. Wear metals remain low. Oxidation resistance is excellent. Viscosity retention is among the best in the industry. But what really catches mechanics' attention is what they see inside engines. I've opened engines with extraordinary mileage using Amsoil. Many looked remarkably clean. Ringlands stayed relatively free of deposits. Valve train components often showed minimal varnish. Oil control remained impressive. Those observations are echoed by many independent mechanics and fleet operators, particularly those maintaining vehicles for the long term. Best applications? Long-term ownership. Heavy highway use, performance vehicles, turbocharged applications, high mileage ownership goals. The drawback? Price. Amsoil is expensive. For many drivers, it may provide more capability than they actually need. And availability can be limited compared with oils sitting on every store shelf. Still, when mechanics discuss premium protection, Amsoil almost always enters the conversation, which brings us to number 1. And honestly, this isn't always the oil people expect. Number 1. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. The oil mechanics trust most isn't necessarily the most expensive. It isn't the most heavily advertised, and it isn't always the easiest to find. But again and again, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum earns respect during real-world inspections. Why? Because engines running it often look exceptionally clean internally. That may sound simple, but cleanliness matters. Carbon deposits affect piston rings. Sludge affects oil flow. Deposits affect timing systems. Clean engines generally live longer. During teardown inspections, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum consistently performs well in deposit control. Oil analysis often shows strong oxidation resistance and excellent wear protection. Its base oil technology helps it remain stable under demanding conditions. Many technicians have noticed that engines running this oil for years frequently show fewer deposits than expected. Not perfect. No oil is, but consistently impressive. Another reason mechanics trust it is balance. It provides strong protection, good cold start behavior, excellent cleanliness, and reasonable pricing compared with some ultra-premium competitors. Best applications? Daily drivers, turbocharged engines, pickup trucks, long-distance highway vehicles, high-mileage ownership. The drawback? Availability. Depending on where you live, finding it consistently can be frustrating. But when mechanics have access to it, many choose it repeatedly. Not because a commercial told them to, because they've seen the results. At the end of the day, mechanics don't choose oil based on advertisements. They choose oil based on what they see after years of servicing vehicles, what they see during engine inspections, what they see in oil analysis reports, what they see in trucks, SUVs, and daily drivers that continue running long after most vehicles would have retired. The oils on this list earn trust because they consistently demonstrated wear protection, engine cleanliness, reliability, and long-term consistency. But here's the most important takeaway. The oil you choose won't guarantee a 500,000-mile engine. Nothing can do that. Maintenance habits matter. Correct viscosity matters. Proper intervals matter. Air filtration matters. Cooling system maintenance matters. But choosing the right oil consistently can dramatically improve your odds. Now I'm curious, which oil are you using right now? And which recommendation surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoy practical maintenance advice based on real-world experience rather than marketing claims, make sure to subscribe and watch the next maintenance video, because we're going to break down one common oil change mistake that silently shortens engine life. The brands mechanics trust weren't chosen in marketing departments. They earned that trust one engine at a time.